Hi, I'm Sam Fields from Matter Solutions. Today we're going to be speaking about what's coming up in the future with Google Ads. Today we're going to speak about YouTube lead ads, cross-device tracking, the rise of voice search, but first we need to address the recent release of statistics by Google that state that mobile is now where you're getting the majority of your traffic. With Google letting us know that more than 50% of traffic is coming from mobile devices, you really do need to optimize your landing pages and your ads to make sure that they give the best experience while on a handheld device. It's also good to remember that everyone now has a device that has voice search capabilities. Essentially, this means you must optimize your keywords to be longer tail and have a conversational style. This includes things like saying how to, near me, where and when. When planning your keywords, just imagine yourself asking someone on the street for your product or service. With all that information, how good is it that Google's recently brought out cross-device tracking? So what is cross-device tracking? Well, imagine this. You're trying to target someone who has spent $500 in your store in the last 3 months. Cross-device tracking means that you're able to target someone who has bought $300 worth on your mobile and $300 on the desktop. Before cross-device tracking, you would have seen those two $300 purchases as being separate sessions. Cross-device tracking is a massive step forward for targeting. Finally, we're going to discuss YouTube lead ads, which personally I think is the most exciting. Essentially what it means is that when you're on YouTube, you're going to be able to collect people's data without them needing to come to your website. This may come across a bit dodgy or a bit sketchy, but honestly it's not. You may have already heard about lead ads. Facebook's had them for quite a while, but YouTube is beginning to roll them out now. One of the reasons why I'm so excited about YouTube lead ads is because of the potential. 2019 is going to be an awesome year for Google. And of course, for Google Ads specialists like myself. I've been Sam Fields, you've been you. Looking forward to seeing you again. Hit that like button. If you know of any other trends that you want me to discuss, send it downstairs in the comments and have a happy holidays.